Welcome to Media Mosaics. Our videos aim to inform and inspire, and in this video, we will be presenting some key features of the My Viking Journey online platform. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Viking's online platform, My Viking Journey, is a convenient tool for planning and monitoring your upcoming journey. Loved by first-time and repeat guests for its numerous features, it allows travelers to prepare and personalize their experience before embarking on their voyage. To get started, visit myvikingjourney.com and create your account. Begin by adding your upcoming voyage to the portal using your cruise booking number, typically a 7-digit identifier found at the top of your invoice. For couples traveling together, whether spouses or not, it's possible to create separate My Viking Journey accounts. This allows independent logins and monitoring of the booking. Keep in mind that only one user can access booking details at a time. If your travel companion or a Viking reservation agent is viewing your booking, you cannot log in. In the scenario where you're viewing your booking in My Viking Journey and need assistance from Viking reservations, they will ask you to log out temporarily so they can access your cruise reservation details. If you're taking advantage of booking your air travel through Viking, you can efficiently manage your flight details in the Manage My Air section, including changing flights, reserving seats, and more. If you have questions or specific travel needs, consult with a Viking air agent. Paramount to international travel today is staying informed about the latest travel requirements, including health testing, vaccination prerequisites, and destination-specific regulations. Viking provides you with the most up-to-date information about these aspects of your travel within the Travel Requirements section. Additionally, you can access comprehensive details on Viking's health and safety program through a link inside My Viking Journey. Note that travel requirements such as vaccinations, health testing, ETRs, and visas are ultimately your personal responsibility to understand and facilitate. However, Viking gives you a great head start with the information in the portal. Some elements of travel are dynamic and require you to stay actively aware of world events and changing rules for entering any country or region. One key form, critical to Viking, is found in the Guest Documents section. Upon creating your My Viking Journey account, go to this section, find the guest information form, and fill it out completely. This must be done for each traveler in your reservation. Here, you enter information so that travel documentation and airline reservations can be finalized. Viking asks for guest information such as passport details, travel insurance information, and emergency contact details. Additional resources for your upcoming cruise are also found here, including the ability to view and print the passenger ticket contract and access passport and visa requirements. Note that Viking does not provide every detail about required visas, and the requirements for a visa to enter any country can change without notice. It is your responsibility to stay aware of these changes and to secure the necessary travel documentation and approvals. Under the Shore Excursions section, guests have the privilege of reserving both included and optional daily shore excursions. Viking will notify you by email when the reservation window opens and becomes available. Generally, your access time depends on the type of cabin you've reserved. If time permits, you can book multiple shore excursions on the same day. When you click on the excursion of interest, you can view start times and return to ship times. Optional excursions selected are placed in the shopping cart and require immediate payment. Your shore excursion will be confirmed once payment is complete. If your desired excursions are fully booked, the Onboard customer service desk will assist you. Explore pre- and post-cruise extension options within the Extensions section and follow the provided instructions to make your purchase. These extensions are Viking pre- and post add-ons that usually include transfers, hotel accommodations, and the services of a Viking host. The Before You Go section offers the convenience of prepaying gratuities in advance, sparing you the need to handle them on board. Viking adds a daily gratuity per person to your Onboard account. If you prefer to settle these gratuities in advance, add them to your shopping cart and pay immediately. Additionally, you'll receive guidance on downloading the Viking Voyager mobile application for use during your voyage, along with the option to book the luggage forward service. The Viking Voyager app can only be accessed when you're on board, but is a vital tool for staying up to date with daily events, restaurant reservations, and excursions. ensure that you download this app to your smartphone before leaving home. The calendar section provides an overview of your daily shore excursions or a summary of all booked excursions for your reference. Depending on the cruise ship, you will have various options to enhance your onboard experience. In the Onboard Experience section, you can upgrade your beverage package, make reservations at specialty restaurants, and specify stateroom setup and dietary restrictions, ensuring that your preferences are met when you board the ship. In the Payments and Add Cart section, you can settle your outstanding balances, including services and excursions. If you add any elements to the cart that require payment and you do not settle that payment in the same online session, you will lose these elements. This is not a way to reserve any element without making a payment. You also have the option to securely input your credit card information in advance for onboard use and access a copy of your invoice. If your booking is managed by a travel agent, you will not see your invoice or payment information as this is only accessible by the travel agent. Be aware that access to My Viking Journey will be unavailable once your journey is about to start. Once on board, the Viking Voyager mobile application will be your companion, offering a snapshot of your daily itinerary, facilitating activity planning, enabling exploration of the ship and destinations, and providing access to the Viking Art Guide. Spend some time getting to know the My Viking Journey site and how to navigate it thoroughly. This will be one of the best elements of planning your upcoming cruise, serving as a one-stop shop for all the information you may need. Thank you for watching a Media Mosaics video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Stay tuned for more exciting content.